Good morning this Tuesday, the 11th of October. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. US markets continue to decline on Monday, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq hitting its lowest point in 2 years, led by a sharp sell-off in chip stocks, amid a policy change by President Biden to limit US companies from selling advanced semiconductors and other equipment to China. Tech stocks have also been hit hard lately from their relatively high valuations and the rising cost of borrowings. The Dow Jones Industrials Index closed just 0.05% lower on Monday, while the S&P 500 lost 0.75% and the Nasdaq fell 1.04%. Stocks extended on last week's sell-off after JP Morgan warned that the US economy would likely slump into a recession in 2023 and that it may not just be a mild economic contraction, as some economists have projected. Over in Europe, the global sell-off continued amid growing concerns over economic growth and tightening monetary policy ahead of key inflation data due out next week. Investors are also keeping a close eye on escalating tensions between Russia and Ukraine as the war in the region has intensified in recent days. Germany's DAX closed Monday's session flat, the French CAC lost 0.45%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 also ended the day down at 0.45%. On the commodities front, the price of most commodities across the board are down this morning, with the Brent crude oil trading 2.14% lower at $95.86 a barrel. Natural gas is down 3.5% to $6.50 per million British thermal units. Coal is down 3.75% to $385 a tonne. Gold is down 1.54% at $1,668 an ounce, and iron ore is trading flat at $98 a tonne. Ahead of the local trading session in Australia, the ASX futures are anticipating a 0.18% rise at the opening bell, despite the negative sentiment and start to the week overseas. It could be a difficult session today for oil and gold stocks amid a decline in the price of oil and gold overnight. On the economic data front today, we'll be keeping a close eye on Westpac consumer sentiment data for October and NAB business confidence data for September, which will both be out this morning, giving an insight into business and market conditions from a business and consumer perspective. Stocks going ex-dividend today include Turner's Automotive Group and Reece. If you've been thinking about getting into these stocks, it might be worth considering buying in today, as stocks going ex-dividend generally trade lower on the ex-dividend date. Ahead of the local trading day, let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Sheffield Resources following the formation of a pattern over a period of 87 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of 53 cents to the range of 61 to 63 cents per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central has also identified a bearish signal on 1064 following the formation of a pattern over a period of 24 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of 60 cents to the range of 47 to 49 cents per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Grady Wolf with Bell Direct. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.